Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the length of a rectangular hall is 2 meters less than 2 times the width. Now if the breadth is given as b meters, then we have to find the length. So width, or you can say breadth, of the rectangular hall is equals b meters. Therefore length will be equals, so length according to the question is equals 2 meters less than 2 times the width. So 2 times of width is 2b meters and the length is 2 meters less than 2 times of width. So subtract 2 from 2b. So this will be the required dimension of the length of the rectangular hall. So it will be 2b minus 2 meters. So again I am explaining it. So length will be equals 2 times the width minus of 2 meters, because it has been said that the rectangular hall is 2 meters less. 2 meters less means we have to subtract it, but subtract it from where? That is 2 times the breadth. So where width is equals b meters, so it will be 2b minus 2 meters. So that's it. Now checking the options, we see that option A will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.